Hi, let me show you two ways how you can turn off camera shutter sound on iPhone 16e. So the first one is convenient way in which you just need to find the action button and press and hold it to enable silent mode. But in that case, it will disable not only camera shutter sound but as well as other sounds. So to fix this, we can find Shortcuts app, which looks like that. And now go in this automation section, click on plus. After that, in search bar, answer apps, choose is opened, and as for an app, set camera. Now you need to switch to run immediately and tap next. Then click on new blank automation. And from the list, find set volume. And right now we need to click on this percentage and make it 0, like that. Tap done and it will be set. But to bring back sound when camera is closed, we need to create nearly the same automation, but with some differences. So let's do the same, find apps, but now choose is closed. Again, find camera, set run immediately and tap next. Again, click new blank automation, find set volume in the list, and now set it to the preferred value, for example, 70%. And of course, save changes by clicking done. Now let's test it. I'm gonna open my camera and you'll see that camera shutter sound is now disabled. So yep, no sound. But once we close the camera, we'll see that sound is back on. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.